pretty good darn road. Wide enough, trees are far enough off that you can get a big rig down through here. There's a spot, back end spot. Nice, gravel. Not too level, but hey, you could work it. It's got a fire pit. Yeah, nice.
Wow, this is great.
Nice, very nice. That one does not have a fire pit. That's a nice big campsite right there. There's the pit toilet. So this is not a bad campground. It's kind of expensive though. $25 a night, and the sites are teeny tiny. I mean, look at that. What are you gonna get in here? A car? A tent? Yeah, this is little bitty. Little bitty. I don't know. And they have a pit toilet. They do have trash cans. That's nice. But this is dry camping. There's no hookups at all. This campground is not made for big rigs at all. You have to have a truck camper, a van, or a tent to camp in here. Well, y'all, we were checking out campgrounds in the area, and we lost our brakes. What? Everything looks good. We just don't have any brakes. What's happening now?
Called AutoZone in Wasilla, Alaska. But yeah, it's they got the parts and they don't close till 10, so we can go get them and then come back and I can work through the night because it don't get dark here.
All right, Mr. C is going to take this all apart, and then he's going to tell us what failed. We got the caliper off. So what's it look like? That look okay?
Yeah, that's good so far.
Oh, dang.
Well, there's one there.
Nothing left on that brake pad. Wow.
They're supposed to check them. All good tire men will check the brakes for a customer. It's something you shouldn't even ask for. Yeah, they're shot. They're wore out. Caliper's okay though. It's not.
That's good. How about the rotor?
Kind of worn on this side a little bit. But that's okay. Do what now?
How about the rest of it? Yeah.
They could be turned, but it's not bad. The back side's fine. See, that's the caliper. That's the piston. See it right there? Inside there?
Yeah.
There's two of them, one there and one here. So I'm taking this tool to push it back in.
Oh.
But before you do that, you got to release the cap on your brake reservoir for your brake fluid.
Right.
You have to release that cap so that it pushes the fluid back up in there. So you got to make do with what you got. I got a wood clamp here.
To work on the other side.
I'll kind of hold it because I'm off here. There's two of them, so there ain't no shops within 50 miles.
Yeah.
No automotive shops. So I can't drive it that far. It's a field repair.
Definitely.
So I think we're gonna find a worse condition on the other side. I think yesterday when I lost my whole brake pedal, I think I lost a shoe over there.
Oof.
That's the auto shop down in Yuma when I took it there. I've always got pretty good service there, but they're always changing people too.
Oh yeah.
And normally a good tire man will check your brakes for you.
No, we really did not have any brake pads. Holy mackerel. Geez, we were driving on a wing and a prayer.
Well, I'm glad it messed up with me not pulling the trailer.
Oh, me too.
Let's get the lug nuts off, taking off this wheel. This is the passenger side.
Oh, what the hell? Shh. I'm sorry. We had no brakes at all on this side.
That's why it hung up yesterday.
Golly jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh, we were some lucky people. Did it mess up the rotor on this side?
It's a little rough, but it's not gouged, it's a little rough.
Oh my gosh. So that brake pad was inside.
Well, it was up here, then when I moved the tire, it fell down into the tire. The wheel.
It was where?
It was up here, but when I started moving it around, it fell down into the wheel, taking the wheel off. So that was what was hanging up yesterday on us.
You just can't trust mechanic shops anymore.
It's hard. I told them to check these tires. I checked the brakes to make sure they were good.
Well,
When they rotated and balanced the tires. And the other thing is, here's what I found when I took the lug nuts off. This, if you can see, these are different. That's got threads on it. That's for their alignment shop. It uses these. They take a lug off, and for their alignment, they'll use this to hook their tool to for the front end alignment. They left that on there.
gosh.
Well,
I'm glad I got a good mechanic.
it's okay to work, but work right.
Yeah,
Do your job.
do the right thing.
Do your job.
Man.
Anyway.
Okay, so he's going to do the same thing on this side as he did the other side.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
That's what we're going to do.
Get her done, honey.
Get her done.
So we are having a feast. Made deviled eggs, and we got spinach bread that we bought in town. They grilled the pork chops on the Blackstone, some baked beans, some leftover creamed potatoes, fully loaded.
It's all good. It's time to eat.
It's all good. It's time to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Homeless guys got to eat.
And look at our view. Awesome. You can't ask for anything better than this.
The front brakes are installed. Everything's torqued down. Wheels are reinstalled, all torqued up. It seems to be okay. I got brakes now.
What was wrong with the...
The pad, part of the pad come off. And it was inside the wheel, turning with the rotor.
And that was all the noise that we heard.
Yeah, when it came off, yeah, it came loose. It was so thin, it got in between the bracket and the rotor. That's
Wow.
what that noise was we heard yesterday. I never run no brakes like that before. But I used to do my own maintenance, and I rely on other people, and it's a shame, but it's not getting done correctly.
Yeah, it's not reliable. Bobby's gonna go get our motor for our slide. Woo, I'm so excited. There he is, he got it, yay!